Hello and welcome to FlintwoodTattoo.com or American Ink. So let's take a look at their website. Let's go to the screen.
Okay, in Google let's type in www.flintwoodtattoo.com and press enter. American Ink is based at 696B Locust Street, Mount Vernon in New York. The telephone number is 914-363-3401. Our email is info@flintwoodtattoo.com. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Tumblr. American Ink is a tattoo shop operated in a comfortable, professional and sterile atmosphere. At American Ink, we strive to create one-of-the-kind custom tattoos. We do all size and style of tattoos, cover-ups, custom and flash designs. Whatever style you are looking for, we at American Ink will be able to meet your needs. You must make an appointment, but walk-ins are welcome. Stop by at our shop at any time and meet the artists. The owner, Barry and Patrick, and the full-time artists, Louis, John and Omar. Visit our website and check out the tattoo aftercare, the invents, piercings, or even get directions by clicking on the contact us. We do our best to respond to you as soon as possible. Enter your first name, last name, email, mobile, and type your message and click submit. Or why not take advantage of our free consultation
By dialing 914-363-3401. I'm José Nunes. Thank you very much for that. Bye bye.